In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post a story on TikTok. So I'm going to open up TikTok right now, and then you'll be on the homepage. Now, to actually get the stories feature, you do need to make sure you're updated to the latest version of TikTok. So if it has been rolled out for your account, go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and update your TikTok app to the latest version first in order to post a story. From here, you can tap on the create button at the bottom in the center. That's going to take you to the TikTok camera. And then you can see now in the record button, they have that little star symbol. That is new, and that is meaning that you have the TikTok stories feature available. So to post a story, it's very simple. Just hold down the record button and record your story. Okay, so I just recorded a short clip, and now this pops up. It says you can either go next and then edit it into a normal video, or you can just tap on post to story. And then you can see it's now uploading that story to my TikTok profile. Okay, it says your story was posted or uploaded. Now, when that's finished, you can tap on your story or your profile icon, and you can see that specific story that you posted. And that's how you can post a story on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.